Let's take a look at what's happening with Dogecoin today. Okay, so in my last video, we were watching this downtrend right here, and we actually broke through that downtrend going up or sideways kind of. I was saying if we break this downtrend going up, then I'll look at the top over here, this previous top right here, and then this previous bottom right here. So I have these straight lines going sideways. And I was saying if we break up, then I'm going to be less confident on my target sitting at around 0.09 because we are heading down. I thought we were going to go down to 0.092, and we broke this going to the upside. Then we also broke this top going to the upside as well. And I hadn't made a video since Friday, but I was also watching this downtrend where we had resistance giving me a downtrend, and we actually broke that downtrend as well. And I'd been saying that until we break that downtrend going to the upside, then that's when we can maybe start getting a little bit more bullish. I still think there's declining volume, and I don't know if I'm really ready to start getting super bullish yet, but let's go ahead and draw some trend lines and see what the other things I was looking at over the weekend. So we had a little uptrend, like I was saying, once we broke that downtrend, and then we started going, so we're going up, and then we broke it going sideways. So the same thing, I look at the top and I look at the bottom. We broke that going to the upside, which is good. We broke it going to the upside, and we broke this downtrend, so that is technically pretty good. Right here, we broke the 9 moving average going to the upside. We were getting support on it, kind of still getting support. But it looks like we're breaking that 4-hour 9 moving average right now. The other thing I wanted to show you, so I don't know, and then we also we got really close to that Fibonacci retracement level, sitting at around 0.116 approximately. We didn't quite get there, but in my last video, I was talking about the Fibonacci retracement levels and how sometimes they act as resistance. We didn't quite touch it, but it looks like we got a little bit of resistance on there, and now we're going down a little bit. We could also draw a trend something like this, because we have support, giving me an uptrend like that. Technically, we're still above that as well. Let's see if we break that going to the downside. If we do, then I'll be much more confident on that target that I still have. Right now, I'm not super confident on this target, but I don't know. Declining volume, red spike, a volume. I'm not really ready to quite start getting super bullish yet. The other thing is, let's go to the daily time frame. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now. The other thing I wanted to show you is, let's go ahead and delete this. Let's go ahead and delete these lines in general. Okay, so this one we could actually probably move something like this. We have a trend, something like that, and that's on the daily time frame. Okay, so what I want to show you is the 9 moving average on the daily time frame. We have this blue line right here. When we're above it, we get support on it, pushing us to the upside. And when we're below it, we get resistance on it. We come into contact with it, get pushed down, get pushed down, get pushed down. And then when we break back above it, then that's when we can start getting confident and start getting more bullish. Right here, we broke below it. We came into it, got rejected right there. It looks like technically we are above it right now, but we are in a red candle right now. So I'm kind of curious what's going to happen. Are we going to stay above that 9 moving average? Or are we going to break through it and come back down to that target that I was talking about, or that I've been looking at? Like I said, we have declining volume, and then we have a red spike in the volume. So I still think we might be coming down to this level, but let's kind of see. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. Let's see if it continues to push to the upside, because like I was saying on the other chart, on the other time frame, on the 4-hour, we had this trend line, something like that, and I was saying if we break this, then maybe we can start getting more bullish, and we did that. So I don't know, this is kind of showing that we're breaking that downtrend, but at the same time, declining volume, red spike. I don't know, we're gonna have to wait and see. I still think we might be coming down to these levels, but I could be wrong. Let me know what you guys think, though. Let's see if we break this going to the downside, or if we can hold support in it and push to the upside. I think if we break this Fibonacci retracement level sitting at around 0.116, if we can continue to move up and we actually do break out of this little level, then I think maybe we can come back up to this level. But let's see, like once we break that, then this would be kind of more of my target. So let's see what happens. Like I said, declining volume, red spike at the end. I don't know. I have a feeling that we might break this going to the downside, but we'll find out. See if I'm right or wrong. All right, let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to watch the last video, check it out right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one.